Personality Plus, daily miracles, hope ignites every day.
Miracles Every Day, September 8th, 2025. Watch and reflect on how God transforms your life. Who is He?
There is no relationship without trust. Would you agree with me? And how is trust built? Through honest communication, listening and respecting each other, keeping promises and acting according to what is said. This process can be greatly accelerated when we go through different experiences together. That's when we discover our reactions in difficult moments. We can support each other and understand one another better.
The disciples struggling with the storm did not expect what happened. They didn't even ask Jesus for help. Why? Because they didn't really know who He was. They saw a man, a great teacher, but not God, who rules over everything. Even the wind and the sea obey Him. They knew only God could do such things. They surely knew the words of Psalm 107. Those who went down to the sea in ships saw the works of the Lord and His wonders in the deep. For He spoke and raised a stormy wind, and their soul melted because of trouble, and all their wisdom was swallowed up. Then they cried out to the Lord in their trouble, and He delivered them from their distress. He calmed the storm, and the waves were still, and He guided them to their desired haven. Verse 29.
That's why they were so terrified. Who is He? The Israelites feared God. They didn't even pronounce His name out of fear of doing it wrongly or in the wrong context. Jesus revealed His divine power before them.
If you take Jesus into the boat of your life and make Him the captain, you will see miracles, His power in action. You will know Him not only during storms, but also in the smallest situations, where He also wants to be involved. In this way, you will build a lasting relationship full of trust and a sense of security. And after every storm, after every journey, He will bring you to your desired haven. Verse 29.
You can count on this because He speaks the truth. He keeps His promises and He acts according to what He has said. Do you know Jesus? Do you know who He is? What will be your answer?
Dear Jesus, please help me remember that in everything I fear, in all that terrifies me, I am not alone, but we go through it together. You understand me, you listen, and you know me, and you want me to look to you, know you more, and see your power. Prepared by Andrei Til and Bogusha Krul. Thank you for being here.
Personality Plus, daily miracles, hope ignites every day.